Hello everyone. Today's question is 1 minus 6 in parentheses 1 minus 6. So let's solve it. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. In parentheses 1 minus 6 is minus 5. When we remove the brackets, we'll multiply. So minus 5 times minus 5. When you multiply minus and minus, it becomes plus. So 5 times 5, that'll be 25. That's the answer to this. This is the wrong answer. Let's rewrite the question. 1 minus 6, in brackets, 1 minus 6. According to the BODMAS rule, first we solve the brackets, then follow the BODMAS rule. In BODMAS, we do brackets first, then division and multiplication, and then addition. So let's solve it. 1 minus 6 is in brackets. When we solve the bracket, 1 minus 6 becomes minus 5, and that's inside the bracket. Now, after removing the brackets, we'll do multiplication here. So it becomes 1 minus 6 times minus 5. Now let's solve it. 1 minus, now minus and minus together become plus. Now 6 times 5, 6 times 5. Starting with 1 plus 6 times 5 is 30. So if we solve it further, we find that the final answer will be 30 plus 1 equals 31. This is indeed the correct answer.